Hello, everyone. Welcome to this live and welcome to 82 East at Tira. We're here because 82 East is now exclusively available on Tira, um, online and offline, and of course on the 82 East website. But we're here because we're here to show all of you um, our entire range, all of our products, and I think this is a huge moment for us um, to see this, right? Um, so I think for the last 1.5 years, the brand has been available online only on the 82 East website, and that continues. But I think to finally see it in a store, um, touch and feel, and to see it amongst some of the most incredible brands from the world of skincare, of beauty, it feels a bit surreal. It feels like, okay, now this is really happening. So yeah, it's a really proud moment. But here, just I wanted to show all of you the wall bay. This is called a wall bay, which I've learned now, and we've organized the entire wall bay in terms of how we and I specifically look at skincare, which is I like to just keep it really simple. My routines have always been really simple. So just you focus on just cleansing your skin, hydrating your skin, and protecting your skin. Um, 82 East really is a self-care brand. That's what it is at its core. And I've discovered over the years that for me, my skincare routine is an extremely important part of my self-care ritual. Something that I do, something that I keep simple, but something that I also do with consistency and joy, something that doesn't feel like a burden. And I feel like that's what self-care should feel like. And like I said, part of that ritual for me is my skincare routine, especially in the evenings when I come back after having been out the whole day, just that moment to myself. So it's my moment, but it's simple, but it's also effective. And keeping that in mind is how we, formulated all of our products. And yeah, this is all of the face care. On this shelf we have, here's if anyone knows exactly what they want and you just come and pick it up. Like I know I want my Lotus Splash, so I picked that up from here. On this shelf we have body care, which we launched earlier this year. And we have two kinds of cleansers and two kinds of lotions. One is a lotion, one is a milk, depending on your skin type. And then we also have 82 East for men, which we launched earlier this year. And we've kept the men's range even more simpler, because we understand that men like to keep their skincare routine even simpler than women. So we have a 3-in-1 cleanser, which is a face, beard, and body cleanser, and you have that in two different fragrances. There's Woody Oud and Fresh Citrus. And then you have a moisturizer with SPF. So guys, you just have to do two things. You have to bathe, and then you have to put on this moisturizer, which also has a sunscreen. That's all you got to do. But more on all of this later on. Let me show you some of my most favorite products that I've been using, which also happen to be our best sellers, right? And they're my favorites because I think they work the best for me, keeping my skin type in mind. But also specifically now in Mumbai, the weather is so hot and so humid that these really are the products that work well for me. So like I explained, all of 82E skincare products are based on the three fundamentals of cleanse, hydrate, and protect. So as a cleanser, Lotus Splash, which I know a lot of you are familiar with, is my go-to cleanser, right? I then follow that up. Actually, I've started using the toner serum as well, Gotu Kola Dew, which is a toner cum serum. You typically have either a toner or a serum, but this is a beautifully formulated toner cum serum. and I can see the difference that it's made to my skin, which is giving me that even tone to my skin. I follow that up with Ashwagandha Bounce, which is again one of our best sellers. I know all of you know that. And what makes it really special is the fact that it's got this really lightweight, bouncy texture. But at the same time, it doesn't have that heavy, sticky feeling. Let me show you. So it just beautifully absorbs into the skin. And then another bestseller of ours and my most favorite, Turmeric Shield. And I think people like it again because no matter how much you apply, it leaves no white cast, right? And it just, there you go, absorbs into the skin beautifully. You apply it 15-20 minutes before you step out in the sun. Also remember to wear your sunscreen when you're indoors as well, because we're still exposed to light. But look at it, it gives you that beautiful glow. There's no white cast, it absorbs beautifully, and also lightweight, like I said, keeping the Mumbai weather in mind specifically. So here are my most favorite in that order, and also our best sellers. Here we go. And then every now and then when you feel like doing that little extra for your skin, we have Manjistha Mud, again another bestseller of ours. It's a clarifying mask. It's a clay mask, which, yikes, I'm going to do this for y'all at some point.
Oh my god. Pulled it off.
There we go.
There you go.
That's the clay mask. I'll do another one for y'all where I actually apply the mask and show you what it does for my skin. And then we have Rose Boost, which is our under eye cream, which is also something I use. But here are my favorites. And more importantly, let me take you to this section because I think we're ready to unveil.
You have a surprise?
Today's surprise.
Is it a bunch of discounts for all of us?
Yeah, sure. But Pomegranate Sheen is now live. It's available. So I know a lot of you could pre-order it for over the last week, but Pomegranate Sheen is now available. It's exclusively available on Tira only for 48 hours first. So you can go to a Tira store or you can go offline, but go to a store because you can actually test it, you can experience it, you can smell it. Pomegranate Sheen is a lip oil, which I think is so amazing because it just beautifully hydrates the skin, your lips, and it also has an SPF, which I think very few lip products have. I think a lot of our lip balms, lip oils they just do the hydrating function, but this has a protecting function as well because it's got SPF in it. And it smells amazing, so you can really use it as a skincare product, but you can also use it like on top of your makeup, so you want like a little bit of that glossy. Let's go back and then we'll show you. But yes, this is exclusively available on Tira for 48 hours, and then it's going to be available on 82 East. Yeah.
So finally we can come and experience the product at the store.
Uh-huh.
Let me see that. Oh yes.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Check it out.
Bye.
Bye.